Cleaning coils is a necessary step in any equipment maintenance plan or reoccurring clean and check program. Nu-Calgon offers a full line of quality specialty chemicals and cleaning tools to help technicians perform this necessary task easily and professionally. As professional HVAC technicians, it is important to understand the benefits cleaning outdoor coils offers your customer, as well as to know the best practices to ensure each job is performed efficiently, safely, and with outstanding, repeatable results. Outdoor coils are exposed to conditions which allow dirt and debris to get caught in the fins of the coil. Water alone will not remove this dirt and debris, so it is important for you to use a coil cleaner like Nu-Brite, the #1 coil cleaner on the market. Nu-Brite is specially formulated with additives to produce heavy, stable foam, emulsifying grime in its foaming action. Additionally, these additives lift and hold debris away from surfaces to prevent it from redepositing on the coil before rinsing. Nu-Brite, as well as all other Nu-Calgon coil cleaners, is highly concentrated and chemically designed to be mixed with water across a wide range of dilution ratios to provide the best cleaning available for a variety of soil loads and applications. Once you've pre-rinsed the coil with water to dislodge any potential surface debris, it's time to clean. Use of the Nu-Calgon coil gun takes the guesswork out of the dilution process. Unlike other sprayers, which require you to combine water with the coil cleaner in a separate step, the coil gun does the mixing for you, thanks to the specially equipped mixing cap that siphons the cleaner through the coil gun when the sprayer handle is depressed. The new 50-foot coil-made hose, with its durable, reinforced construction, crush-proof solid brass fittings, and FlexGuard collar, is ideal for use with the coil cleaner. Simply add Nu-Brite or other Nu-Calgon coil cleaner to the coil gun container. Determine the appropriate dilution ratio for your application. Set the dial on the mixing head to the corresponding setting and connect the coil gun to the anti-siphon sprayer handle and the accompanying foam wand. It's that easy. Warning: before cleaning coils, be sure power to the system is disconnected. For coils located on rooftops, ensure the roofing material is compatible with the chemicals contained in the coil cleaner. For specific information on roofing compatibility, see Cleaner Product Label. It is also important to remember that personal protective equipment should be worn whenever chemicals are being dispensed, including gloves and eye protection. Coil cleaning should only be performed in calm winds, as high wind conditions produce the possibility of chemicals spraying back at the technician. Once preparation is complete, use the coil gun to spray the entire coil surface to dispense Nu-Brite or other Nu-Calgon cleaners. Notice how Nu-Brite's foam is produced at a high rate, lifting and holding debris as it expands. All Nu-Calgon coil cleaners are resistant to variations in water quality. That means cleaning coils in a location that has hard water will never affect the performance you expect from Nu-Calgon products. Consistency that is unmatched in the industry. Continue cleaning the coil until the entire surface is treated. For hard-to-reach areas and inside-out cleaning, the Coil Gun Probe attachment is also available, sold separately. The Coil Gun Probe attaches easily to the coil gun and provides an additional 40 inches of targeted reach with its 90-degree spray angle, perfect for cleaning the inside of the coil as well as those hard-to-reach spots. Allow the coil cleaner to remain on the coils for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the severity of the debris. Once the dwell time has finished, either switch the coil gun to the rinse position or simply remove the sprayer handle from the coil gun and begin rinsing the surface of the coil. It's important that rinsing continues until all traces of foam are removed from the coil. Leaving coil cleaner on coil surfaces for longer than recommended dwell time can be harmful to the coil construction. This process can take up to 15 or 20 minutes on larger outdoor coils. Remember to never allow pooling of coil cleaner on the roof for an indefinite amount of time. When the coil has been adequately rinsed, return any Nu-Brite to its original container and rinse out the coil gun. Remember, never store or transport coil cleaner in the sprayer or any other non-original container. Complete the setup of any other materials, reassemble any panels removed for cleaning, and return power to the unit. Make sure the coil gun and its accessories are thoroughly rinsed with water after use for maximum service life. By following these steps, your customer will see you take pride in your work, as well as take comfort in the fact that with quality technicians using quality products, you provide quality results for the maintenance and care of outdoor coils. For more detailed information about the cleaning of outdoor coils and the complete line of available Nu-Calgon cleaners, including Nu-Brite aerosol, the same Nu-Brite performance in a ready-to-use aerosol can, perfect for kitchen degreasing and other applications, visit Nu-Calgon.com.